Okay, let's get real for a moment. Being a mom is one of the most magical, mystical, mystifying, beautiful growth opportunities that exists in the universe. Being a parent at this time in history and the holidays, and it's a perfect storm for losing your right mind. Well, I have a solution for you. I created the Holiday Harmony Toolkit, chock full of tips to make it easy for you to navigate these times with your kids, with your family, with your loved ones, with yourself, most importantly. And here's one of the tips. Keep your head where your feet are. Don't future trip. Be prepared, not scared. Don't rehearse the worst. Ground and center yourself in the present moment. Return to tip number 2 when you forget. Now you might be asking yourself, what is tip number 2? Well, I am happy to share tip number 2 and all of these tips at the Holiday Harmony Workshop, Wednesday, November 30th at 10 a.m. Pacific time. The link is in the bio. I want to help you fortify yourself so you can enjoy these holidays, you can stay sane, and you can have a wonderful time. So 10 a.m. Wednesday, Pacific time, I'll see you there.